Don't throw up, you.
Oh wait, no, maybe don't do it. Never mind.
Don't do it. Don't. No.
It's too late. You said it now. You know what he's like.
Oh shit.
Oh. Oh.
I don't like how we moaned that one out.
Hey, give me a second. I can do better.
No,
don't play. Don't vomit.
No, stop.
Hold on. I can't forcibly burp. Otherwise, it's not a prestige burp, you know? You know, hey there, what's up, bro? You deserve a prestige. Ew, that wasn't me. Uh-oh.
I'm so concerned for your health.
Oh, that was prestige. That
Did
was
it
a
pick
good
up?
one. You have to
Yes,
pick
it
that
did.
up.
Okay.
How are you, Jamie?
Oh no.
I'm stuck listening to these fucks.
I like it.
What, you don't like it?
I'm gonna get bottle
No.
caps.
If it's the gear bottle caps, I don't know. I just gave up on that.
I'm using a guide.
Okay, let me
Yeah, that didn't exist when I did it. To be fair.
why have I not
Where is she?
explored?
Well, I'm
like
surely
Walrus,
enjoying
okay.
the show. Don't worry, there's a lot of burps here. As you can tell, I've burped 166 times.